How does one make a smoothie without waking up the entire house with a blender? Smoothies are a great way to start your day or to enjoy as a healthy snack. However, blending can be quite noisy, and if you have an early morning or live with others, you may not want to wake them up with the sound of a blender. Fortunately, there are ways to make a smoothie without waking up the entire house. Here are some tips. Use a quiet blender. One of the easiest ways to make a smoothie without making too much noise is to use a blender that is specifically designed to be quiet. There are many models available on the market that have insulated sound enclosures or sound dampening materials that reduce noise levels. Some examples of quieter blenders include the Vitamix Quiet 1 and Blendtec Professional 800. Choose soft ingredients. Soft ingredients are easier to blend and require less time in the blender, which means less noise. Choose ingredients such as ripe bananas, soft berries, or pre-cut frozen fruits that are already small enough to blend easily. This will reduce the amount of time that the blender needs to run and make less noise. Pre-blend ingredients. Another option is to pre-blend some of your ingredients. For example, you could blend your leafy greens with liquid in a blender or food processor before adding the other ingredients. This will make them easier to blend in the main smoothie mixture and reduce blending time and noise. Blend in stages. If you have a large quantity of ingredients, try blending them in stages. This means blending a smaller amount of ingredients at a time instead of blending everything at once. This reduces the overall blending time and also makes it easier for the blender to handle the ingredients, resulting in less noise. Blend at a low speed. Blenders typically have different speed settings, and using a lower speed can help reduce noise levels. Start with a low speed and gradually increase it as needed. This will also help prevent ingredients from getting stuck in the blades and reduce the need to stop and start the blender, which can also create noise. Use a muffler or sound-absorbing material. If you don't have a quiet blender, you can try using a muffler or sound-absorbing material to reduce noise. One option is to use a muffler designed specifically for blenders, which attaches to the blender and reduces noise levels. Alternatively, you can place the blender on top of a sound-absorbing mat or towel to absorb some of the noise. Blend during the daytime. If all else fails, consider blending your smoothie during the daytime when noise levels are more acceptable. This will allow you to enjoy your smoothie without worrying about waking up anyone in the house. In conclusion, there are many ways to make a smoothie without waking up the entire house with a blender. You can use a quieter blender, choose soft ingredients, pre-blend some of the ingredients, blend in stages, use a low speed, use a muffler or sound-absorbing material, or blend during the daytime. By following these tips, you can enjoy your smoothie without disturbing anyone in the house.